Everyone, my name is Joyful Judy and thank you all for watching me. Today I'm going to make a salad. I've been challenged to go on this weight loss with my family members. We all went on this weight loss together, and I do like to eat healthy. Once in a while I do go and eat something that's like a piece of cake or something like that, but I'm trying. And today I'm making what's called the Special Delight Salad. And the reason why I call it Special Delight, not only does it taste good, it is good for your body, it gives you energy, and I usually eat this salad with some salmon. So I'm going to show you my Special Delight salad. Okay, here we go. Is the salad mix. This is the kale, the Brussels sprouts, broccoli, green cabbage, and red cabbage. This is broccoli straw, and it has a little bit of carrots in it. This is avocado, which I love. This is the sliced almonds. And just like two tomatoes and dried cranberry. You can also use sliced cucumber in this dish. I don't have my cucumber, but it tastes delicious. So everyone, first of all, I'm going to start with my dry almonds. I'm going to put the broccoli straw, okay? And then I put on some cranberries. Just pour that cranberries in it. You see the cranberries? And then I put on my tomatoes. And last but not least is avocados. Now I know sometimes people use a spoon or something like that and they stir it up. But I'm actually using the top of my salad. And then I use balsamic vinaigrette dressing. No salt, no pepper, anything on it. You can use salt or pepper if you like. I'm just trying to do the healthy thing because sometimes people like the salad has salt on it. So I take the top of it instead of using a spoon, and you just shake that baby up like this. You shake it up. See how I shake it up? Shake it up like this. And watch. Okay. Now we'll open it for you. Oh wow! Wait till you see this. Look at this salad. Oh wow! You see? I tell you, everyone, when you taste this salad, it's going to be a hit. Wherever you go, work, dinner party, you make this, it is delicious. Well, I want to thank you all for watching. Until next time, don't forget, God is good. Yay! Bye-bye. Love you all. Bye.